When people were supporting P2B, many of you thought it is an Igbo thing. Some of you who have been eaten up by tribalism and religion thought it is a Christian and Muslim fight, not knowing that it is a time for you to secure your future and the future of your children and even your unborn generation. Some of you did not know that those who were supporting P2B were actually trying to save the country from falling into pit of hell, from falling into bottomless pit. Many of you did not know. You thought it was just a tribal war or a religious war. Today, look at what is happening. This video you are watching right now is the current flight price from Lagos to Abuja. For those of you who are flying economy, you have to pay 100 and something thousand naira for you to move from Lagos to Abuja in the same country. Now, if you say you want to now fly business class, it is cost almost 200,000. Then ask yourself, assuming you now want to travel abroad, how much are you now going to pay for your flight ticket? How much? Look at the fuel price to look at dollar to naira. At least Buhari left this dollar to naira at the price of 700 plus. Today, look at the price. Dollar is now 1,300 and something naira per dollar, which means between the space of 6 months, your Tinubu have doubled it. We are now in a point where we are now even trying to ask Buhari to forgive us, because the Chege we are seeing now is just like Chege Pro Mass. And I think Buhari was actually smart enough, because he wanted the person that could have replaced him to be someone that is going to be better than. And that was why he made the way. He made the room for Tinubu to succeed during the election. And today, look at where we are today. We have easily forgotten how Buhari messed us up, because what we are seeing now is even bigger than us. It's even what we did not expect. You now, as a civil servant now, that means if you are a civil servant and you are based in Lagos or you are based in Abuja, you can't even go to that. You can't even move to Abuja now, because your flight now is 100 and something thousand, and your minimum wage at 3,000. So now ask yourself, now even if you say you want to go by bus, let's remove the insecurity aspect of it also, because I know that moving from Abuja to Lagos now by bus is like you trying to put your hand inside the mouth of a crocodile, because you don't even know what is going to happen along the road because of too many insecurity. Now for you to move from Abuja to Lagos by bus is now 30-something thousand naira. That is almost your minimum wage. So you that is a public servant now, you that is a civil servant, how do you intend to travel, even go visit your family, or even for you to go and even have a vacation? How do you intend to move from Abuja now to Lagos? Where is the money coming from? Assuming we allow P2B to take over this power, I know that by now, the hardship would have reduced to, let's say, 20%. But most of you thought voting P2B in was like I don't know what you feel like. You people have chosen to suffer than for you to vote an Igbo man. You people have chosen to suffer than for you to vote for the right person that is going to take this country forward. Look at where we found ourselves. Even those ones who are supporting Tinubu today now, they are crying blood. They are crying blood. But it seems like those their pains, those their cries, they still prefer Tinubu to be there. Now, so you can't even protest, because if you try to protest now, people like Dokubo and Co, those anti-P2B, will still come out against those who are protesting for the good of this country. We have seen ourselves. Let's just enjoy this shege that way. Let's just enjoy the shege. The poor Nigerians don't even know that the rich ones are using their brain to work. You don't know that these rich ones are using your ignorance against you. You don't even know. Just keep on supporting BAT. Keep on supporting BAT. Very soon, most of you will even be homeless, and you guys will start living in trees, just like BAT used to live in real life. Continue, ratified.